Hi everyone, this is Sharon. I am one of Lupus Support Group Philippines administrator. I am also a lupus patient. If you are struggling with your self-confidence after being diagnosed with lupus, I recommend you keep on watching. The number one thing that I experienced is weight management issue. So ever since that I've been diagnosed with lupus and RA, I've been struggling a lot with my weight. So there are months wherein I weigh 46, 47, 48 kilos, which is the ideal weight for me. And there are times that I weigh 50, 51, 55, 53 kilos. So it's just really annoying. The second thing that I noticed that has changed physically is my skin condition. I've been experiencing vasculitis since, or rather even before I was diagnosed. My lower extremities have been affected by vasculitis, and at the end of the day, it gives me that bruise-like dark marks on my legs. Third thing that I noticed is that I had a decrease in terms of my endurance. So I am not as capable as I was before, I mean physically. So before I was so capable of doing long HIIT or high intensity interval workouts. I just really have a lot of energy before. Oh, definitely yes. So ever since when I was a kid, I have always been on this heavier side, chubby side. And I started losing the unwanted weight when I was in my mid-20s. Of course, people started commending me for, wow, you've been doing a lot of, work there, great job for losing the weight and all that. I would say it definitely gave me that confidence, that extra kick. But then I started to gain back all the weight. And then I started to feel like, oh my gosh, we're back to square one, back to where we were. And yeah, and it keeps on happening over and over again. See, whenever I notice that I'm gaining weight, I have this go-to routine to help me minimize or rather lessen the unwanted weight, and then it goes back again. So it keeps on giving me this feeling of disappointment, depression, and yes, confidence level to the point that I don't want to go visit my relatives, like my in-laws. I don't want them to see me like this. Like I just don't feel myself. Like I tend to avoid meetings with friends because I feel like they're just gonna talk about all the weight that I've gained. This is personal, but yeah, I'm gonna share something with you. So I think this was like 3 or 4 years ago. One of my colleagues at work told me na, Shan, alam mo ba, 3 months ago, alam mo, sexy mo. Pero ngayon, bakit parang bumilog ka na naman yata? Honestly, yung message niya na tumaba ako, hindi naman talaga mo ganun ka-affected nun. What really affected me was the way how it was said. Kasi with all the facial expression, with all the, yung tono, I felt like, wait, are you judging me right now? Or you're just giving a feedback? But what? That's how I felt. And then right after that, I was supposed to have lunch. And my best friend invited me to to grab milk tea. But after hearing that statement from my colleague, I was like, I really wanted to drink milk tea, but wag na lang. Because it's gonna help me gain weight. So I was like, not gonna eat for now. And I was like depressed for like 1-2 weeks. And during the depression stage, lalo kong kumain actually. I was just like thinking, no, I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna stay away from food. But it was just me saying it, but I wasn't really doing it. Like, after I rejected the milk tea invite and all that, pag uwi ko ng bahay, I started eating a lot. So, I was stress eating. Na-stress ako sa sinabi niya. But well, to be very honest, I felt disappointed and I was really depressed. Like, each time I stand in front of the mirror and I see myself, I really notice every bit of detail that just happened to my body. I feel like sana naging mas maingat ako. I wish I was more careful about the things that I've been doing to myself. I wish I would have chosen better food to eat. I wish I would have been more patient doing my workouts. I wish I did these things, those things, and that. So there's just a lot of I wish. It really like drowned me. It just drowned me more into depression. Like, I feel bad about how I look. I felt bad about all the weight that I've been gaining, and I just started to close my mind about other possibilities or any other options that I could do to help me better manage my weight. So I was blaming myself a lot about the weight gain, the changes, and all that. And it hurts a lot as well, you know, like when people started to call you out for gaining weight, like when people started to notice the changes, like it makes you feel that you're not meeting anyone's expectations. And that's a valid emotion, you know, that's a valid reaction, and that's okay. Everyone goes through that. The starting point is that when one of my closest friends told me, no matter what weight you're in, for me, I will never judge you kasi ang basis ko when I'm judging people is their character. And I've seen you lose weight, gain weight, lose weight again, gain weight, and you keep on, you know, continuously going through the cycle. Kahit ano pang weight mo, alam ko na kaya mong baguhin kung ano gusto mong baguhin. And it hit me. Like, oo nga no. I've been doing it over and over again. So why am I so worried about gaining weight when I know that I can do those routines that I've been doing, and it has been effective for me to lose weight. And my husband personally prefers me on the curvy side. I don't know why, but because of those, you know, things, especially my husband telling me that he prefers me to be on the curvy side, not that thin, you know, parang naisip ko, other people see me okay. Ang issue talaga is ako. Like, it's me who do not love myself. Kasi when I started gaining the weight, parang sabi ko, other people won't like the way how I look. Like, I was so conscious about that. Like, I was so concerned about what other people have to say. That was me. And then na-realize ko na yung mga tao sa paligid ko, I mean, those people that really matters to me, see me beautiful. Like, I was really okay for them. Ako lang talagang may issue sa sarili ko. Regardless of the life struggle or life situation that you're in, the only thing, or the very first thing that you have to do is to start accepting your new reality. Accept the fact that you're ill with lupus. Accept the fact that you will be gaining weight, you will be losing weight, you will be having changes on your skin, you will be having lesser energy, decreased endurance, and all that you will not be as how you were before. We have to face the truth na eto na tayo ngayon. So what do we do from here? Where do we go from here? We've got nowhere else to go but to move forward. And in order for us to move forward, we have to start accepting the reality that we are lupus patients, that we are bound to any effects or possibilities that lupus can bring into our lives. Always remember is that rebuilding your self-confidence is a long and continuous process. It's a long and continuous. It's a never-ending process. See, when we talk about changing our mind setting, yung frame of mind natin, hindi siya yung may start na may finish line. May start line, tapos may finish line. No. It's continuous. Wala siyang katapusan. Kaya nga nang sabi ko kanina, number one advice ko talaga is to really start accepting your new reality. That's the most important step na kailangan nyo gawin. And the very first step that you have to do if you want to start making changes in your life.